Hey Z Squad, we're making mint patty brownies. We're gonna need a pan that has high sides, 1.5 sticks of butter, 4 ounces of chocolate chips, 1 1/3 cup of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon salt, 3 eggs, vanilla, a package of peppermint patties, and a cup of flour. Also, you're gonna need a 8x8 pan and a bowl to mix it all together. I'm gonna take the pan with the butter and the chocolate and melt it down and whisk it till smooth. We melted the butter and the chocolate chips. Now we're gonna add our sugar and salt to the mixture. We are also going to whisk it. Our eggs one at a time. And stir it until well combined, and it will become nice and shiny. Then keep stirring until nice and shiny. The mixture is nice and shiny. Now we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. And then we're gonna stir again. Now we're gonna put our mixture into a nice bowl and add our flour. Make sure you mix this aggressively with a hand beater. While you are mixing all your ingredients, you want to preheat the oven to 325 degrees. This mixture is going to bake for about 30-35 minutes. To make it aggressively, starts to make a fudgy form. You're going to want to have your pan all nice and sprayed so it doesn't stick. When you're done mixing, you're going to want to put half the batter in the pan, like so. And then we are going to layer it with our peppermint patties. You use the whole entire package. Just layer it nice and good. A little more there, a little more here. Now you're gonna add the rest of the batter to the top. It's gonna be delicious. You add it on, just sort of make it nice and smooth on top. If some of your peppermint patties are poking through, that's alright as well. You can always, if you don't want them to poke through, you can always cover them up with the batter. And now we're gonna stick it in the oven for about 30 minutes. The brownies just came out of the oven. They're peppermint patty brownies. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.